Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2019 Ford F-150 Limited. Now the exterior color is in a jet black, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlights as well as our LED daytime running lights with our parallel fog lamps, 2 tail hooks, and an engine blockator connection. We also have our front-facing camera, and over at the side we have our 22-inch polished aluminum wheels wrapped under Scorpion tires, as well as we have our power deployable running boards with our black mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our twin panel moonroof, and this Limited also comes with remote start. At the rear we have a trailer tow package, which includes our Ford 7-pin connection as well as a trailer hitch connection. We also have a spare fifth wheel underneath, as well as we have our dual chrome tipped exhaust and our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. We also have our LED taillights with our power release tailgate with a tailgate step inside. And in our box we have a spray and bed liner with our tie down points and our LED box lighting. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At our interior we have loads of driver friendly features, including tons of door storage as well as ambient lighting with power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as we have power windows with our power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as we have our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors with our automatic headlamp dial with our foot pedal adjustment switch and our pull-in parking brake. We also have our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and our adaptive cruise control settings. And at the right we have our hands-free entertainment and volume controls. And as we look up we have our auto dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage opener points, and our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior we have our beautiful leather with our limited stamping, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have a Sync 3-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control including heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well as the driver and passenger can both enjoy multi-contour seats, as well as we can watch our front-facing and rear-facing camera. We also have our controls down below, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as we have air conditioned and heated seats for both driver and passenger. We also have our dual smart charging USB ports, and at our centerpiece we have our console shift lever with our manual select option at 10 different speeds, with our lane keep assist, park assist, cubby storage, and dual cup holders with ambient lighting. We also have our center console with our limited F-150 stamp, as well as we have dual cup holders at the center of our center console and loads of storage underneath. At the rear, we have loads of door storage for passengers, as well as more ambient lighting with powered windows, as well as storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of the center console we have a 12-volt adapter with a left and right side heated seat, as well as dual USB ports with an AC outlet and dual ventilation to keep the air circulating at the rear. And with their 60-40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this outstanding Limited, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.